Hi guys, Cynthia here. Today, we're outside again. It is so cold. It is daylight, but it is this dark. But I wanted to do my window box with you. And before I do my window box, look at how pretty this turned out, you guys. So I will be playing a video for you as we speak about how I did this. I want to talk a little bit about the reef itself. This reef I got from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. A long time ago, and it was on sale at the end of the season for Christmas. Oh my gosh, you guys, you know when it gets like so windy that you feel like your eyes are teary? That's me today. It could be allergies. Do you have allergies in the winter? Is that a thing? I don't have to Google. Anyway, so I bought this 50% off. I think I did not spend more than $30 for this. Look how big this reef is. It is so large. And you guys know, if you see like my reels and things like that, or my shorts on YouTube, that I decorate this exact reef every year for every season, whether it be Halloween, fall, spring, summer, Christmas, all of the things. But I just think this is so pretty. And everything I got super sale. So all of these baubles I got, and I had to put them all on myself. I got from Home Goods, and then these I got from Michael's, like these little like gold picks here, and they were like less than $1 because I went during their sale just recently. And these bows I got last year at Home Goods. And the big bow on the top that you see here, I got 2 years ago at home, more than that actually. Way more than that, I think, at Home Goods. And I just think it looks really pretty. Now I'm thinking about adding some more to it because I did buy some more of these like really cheap non glass baubles. But I think I'm going to hold off on that because I want to put it inside one of my Christmas tree. Like I have like a Christmas tree that is in a pot that you'll see me decorate next week's video, and I'm going to fill those. I think I'm going to throw those in there. That's why I bought them. So anyway, now we're going to move on to doing the other box, but I want to show you kind of in depth what we do. But first things first, we have to go to the way back to my evergreens and cut some greens because I use those to kind of fill in. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. So back by my garden, I have this beautiful, I think it's a pine of some kind, gorgeous evergreen. And then me and my neighbor share like what looks like a spruce of some kind. And so we're just going to go ahead and uh, cut some of that off. I just have my pruners. This tree is so tall though. It's really hard to get some greenery, but let's go ahead and do it. So I got my loppers, and sometimes I have to jump to to get some branches. Okay, so I'm gonna get, you know what I could do? I could get some arborvitae, but I'm not. I'm just not gonna do that because I do have some arborvitae. So here are my clippings. You really don't need very much. So now let's just go to the front and let me show you how I created that window box. Oh, there's like snow on my camera now. Okay. All right, let me clean you guys off and then let's go to the front. So a lot of the items that I have in this bucket, I've gotten throughout the years. I never just buy a bunch of stuff at once. It's always like this year I got 10 more from the Dollar Tree. And when I didn't have so much like red or stuff to just like put in here, I filled it with more evergreens, like from my Christmas tree, because we get real Christmas trees every year. And then it had like pops of red, not so much a ton of it. So, anyway, that being said, if your soil is frozen, which mine isn't, I stabbed it already, you want to just put some hot water in it and it'll melt it away. So, first, I'm starting with, let me just grab all the things. I wanted more of this. Look how pretty this is. I got it this year from Michael's. but they were expensive even on sale with like the huge percentage off. It was still like I think over $10, and so I only got two, which is slightly disappointing because I really would have liked to line the whole back with it, and maybe like I'll go at the end of the season and see if they have any for sale. But anyway, I put that in the middle, and then I have these fakes boxwoods that I got at Walmart like 4 years ago, and I'm just gonna dot them throughout, kind of willy nilly. It really doesn't have to be spectacular or perfect or anything like that. My gosh, the road is busy today. Put this one in the middle, actually. There we go. Simple. And then I have these, which I got at Michael's this year. They were on sale also. And I'll put those kind of flanking the center shiny one, just like that. And these I got at the Dollar Tree also. Most of everything from the Dollar Tree. I will just dot these around really willy nilly, guys. I know it looks a little crazy, like it's haphazard, and really it is. Like there is no rhyme or reason for how I'm placing any of these. I have these. These are just really bright red, and I'm just going to put those kind of in the center because they're just a different color red, and I want them to pop more. I want the boxwoods to also be a little bit more forward to have that brightness of green. I have two, actually, I have more than two of these with the white accent. And I'm just going to just squish them in the front, just a little bit lower than everything else. There we go. I got these darker ones this year at Hobby Lobby, and I really like just how like they add kind of a depth of color from all like the reds, and I just love that. These were all $1, you guys. Also, I got them at the sale. They were like a fall planting, which was nice. And then these I got this year, which I probably should have gotten more. You really can't see these, and I'm just going to toss those just dead center in the front. Now, you can see that right now it looks not so bad, right? Like it's pretty full for not having very much in it. Now, this is where I'm going to add the greenery that I got from the back. I need to make sure I have two of these that look pretty decent. Uh, None of them look pretty decent, but that's okay. I'm just going to shove one back here. Come on. Oh, it's a little bit frozen. The mail lady's here. Put this one here. There we go. Not so shabby. And with these beautiful like pine ones that are kind of whimsical, we're going to go ahead and put them like this so that they're kind of hanging over. Let's do that really quickly. Isn't that so pretty already? Now you can keep going. I think I'm just going to add some more just to here. And I actually have some of these greens. And I'm going to add some of these greens in there also, just for some extra. Oh, look at that, guys. Isn't that really pretty? I'm really, really happy about it. I think it looks good. I was going to add some more, but quite frankly, I don't think we need to. Look at that. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Something quick and sweet. I hope you really liked it. Let me know how you guys are going to decorate for this holiday. I will be putting out another video of decorating next weekend and then a holiday tour of what the house looks like with all of the decorations. I will be finishing all of that today. If you like the video, please like it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. And remember, if you didn't get it done today, there is always tomorrow. Thanks for watching.